Hello and welcome to MZ Academy. This is Zahra and today we're going to be making a DIY watercolor bookmark. So let's begin. You will need watercolors, bookmark sized heavyweight paper, 2 brushes, white paint, a paper towel, and obviously water. Alright guys, so I bet everyone watching this video can paint this really easy step-by-step watercolor bookmark with me. So grab your utensils and let's paint together. Okay guys, so first you want to put tape around your paper so that the watercolors don't leak through. And the brush that we are going to be using is this really soft makeup brush. Next, we are going to wet our paper a little bit using the soft brush. The colors I'm going to be using to paint are blue, purple, and dark pink. I know that the colors don't look like what they're supposed to, but trust me, they are those colors. So we will start off by taking some blue and coloring it on the top part of the paper. And then we will take some purple and color it in the middle part of the paper. Next, we will take some dark pink and color it in the bottom part of the paper. After that, we will start blending these colors together. So now we're going to be using this brush, and it is really hard and rough as you can see, and we're going to use some white paint. So what we want to do is take some of the white paint and put it on the brush and sprinkle it on the paper. This is going to create white splatters and is going to take this watercolor bookmark to another level. Alright guys, this is exactly what we want. And now we will peel off the tape, the satisfying part. Alright, so it leaked a little bit, that's okay. So guys, it did make a bit of a mess here, but that is okay. As you can see, our bookmark is looking really gorgeous, and before we are done, we just have to hole punch and tie a string through it. After you've hole punched it, you have to take a string and tie it through the hole punch. After you've tied a string through the bookmark, it should look something like this. Okay guys, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye! Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family.